Here we are at Del Rock, which is in Hyde Park, the Hyde Park section of Boston. And Del Rock is just a short distance from Cleary Square, the center of Hyde Park. And you see the sign here, which has just been up here recently, maybe the last year or two. City of Boston, Conservation Land. Welcome to Del Rock, Urban Wild. And it tells you how you can enjoy this place and don't upset the flora and fauna. And of course, Boston is a green community. That means they're saving the planet. The city fathers and mothers know so much about the environment, and they're doing this just for our own good benefit. And also, Boston is a member of ICLEI, the International Council for Local Environmental Initiative. So you would think that this place would be spotless, all of the greenies that live in Hyde Park. Now, I used to live around the corner from this spot, and over the years it was always in very poor shape as far as litter and broken glass. And I would, with my family members on a regular basis, clean this place up. It'd be kind of dangerous for little children. You have a beautiful view of the city, especially when leaves are off the trees. And one or 2 years in a row, we did have a neighborhood cleanup and made it almost acceptable. And you think, well, now the city is taking notice of this, and this place is a real wonderful urban oasis where you can enjoy the beautiful outdoors. Well, I caution you folks, you greenies aren't doing a good job. You hypocrites, you people want to save the planet and are willing to spend billions of dollars of taxpayers' money to go green and all this other stuff, restricting people's freedoms. It's a mess. Broken glass everywhere. Here someone's feeding their pet, probably the same pet 10 years ago, leaving debris. And although I should say it's a little bit better than it was in the past, no thanks to the wonderful city. Yeah, that's my daughter, and it's kind of dangerous to be up here, especially in flip-flops. Here's a typical broken glass. So you Agenda 21 people, you're not getting your job done. You're getting checks from the federal government, you're getting checks from the state governments, or you're getting checks from the Regional Greenhouse Gas Initiative. Just cheat everybody, raise everybody's rates, take away their property rights. You're telling people who have commercial property that they have to report to the city how much gas or how much energy they use, how much water they use, but you can't even clean up a rock. Look at this broken glass everywhere. It's a hazard. In fact, if someone came up here and got themselves cut, they should sue the city and sue all these greenies who are going to save us from ourselves. Another example of hypocrisy, here in broken glass everywhere, hypocrisy of these environmentalists. Where are you to clean this up, folks? No, it's going to take people like me, who are true environmentalists, who really believe in wise use and really care. We're the ones that clean this up. Yeah. Yeah, so if you're in this area, I would suggest you avoid it unless you want to do a cleanup, because it's dangerous. Like most city parks, by the way, dirty, unusable, and it hasn't changed any. It won't change as long as you got these rascals running this city.